Okay, this is my Quiseen coffee grinder that looks suspiciously like a little Dalek. I will be painting those little dots, putting some wheels on that sucker, and right next to it is the Bones Coffee Company Bourbon barrel-aged coffee beans. They only come in the bean form, and my little Quiseen, aka Dalek, coffee grinder will be exterminating those coffee beans to a nice ground roast. Then we'll be making coffee in my coffee gator right there. Yeah. All right, we're gonna pause the video. Oh, well, actually, I think I can turn it around and open it. It's got these little zip ties that look like a bone on it. There you go, nice and opened. Oh yeah, I'm wearing my Bones coffee shirt, Christmas thing. It's homage to National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation, for those who don't know. All right, so look at that. They're beautiful. Smells good. Okay. All right. Oh, okay. Forgot how to open it. Ah, it just comes off. Sorry, it just comes off. It's been a while. I washed it a while back and I forgot how I got the lid off. Okay, and inside's just a regular little grinder bowl. It is plug in. So here we go. There we go. I did not read the instructions, but, you know, pretty self-explanatory. We shall see. Okay. Yep, there we go. Oops, sorry. There they go. Okay. So let's see how much. I'm gonna pause the video because I need to count how many coffee scoops I have.